Thousands of years ago, survival in the Amazon meant the hunt, or the end. Today, this small tribe ventures out in search of a mysterious predator. Beneath the river's surface, a giant hunter waits, something they've never seen before.
One wrong move, and they'll step straight into the jaws of death.
With a deadly strike, the spear finds its mark. The hunt is won. In this ancient world, every catch meant food, strength, and survival. They invoked the spirits, seeking guidance and protection for their journey. But the jungle never rests. Danger can appear at any moment. This time, the threat came silently, with eyes just above the water. Some battles were won without blood, but not without courage.
Hooray! They have returned!
We have food for many days.